Hello friends, today I will share with you the reality of LifePoints Panel, which gives us real cash, but how much they gives. I will show you how much cash I earn in my lifetime from the joining till today. So start the video and go to rewards section. Here this is my history of activities, how much points I get from my joining date. Now extra life point, thanks for your participation for a survey which was 7th March 2019. I get 170 point. Then 15 March 2019 40 points. 16 March 65 point. 28 March 2 points, 28 March 2 points, 28 March 65 points. Here you see here I participate in a survey, but this survey was not approved for my profile. And also this is for your kind information, if you get 2 points for your any survey, means your profile is not applicable for this survey. So please be careful and take the survey very slowly and attentively. Here another 65 point in 28 March, 28 March 2 point, 29 March 2 point, and so on. I will show you how much money I get from LifePoints Panel in my lifetime from the date of joining till today. This is also a one survey. 2 points gives for participating in a survey. Many of these 2 points are available here. One extra life point, thanks for your participation, and they deduct 10th May 2019 63 point deducted. Okay, then I will show you how much money. Here it is my order. I order a coupon eGift voucher, that's value was 500 rupees and point was deducted 550 life point. And another one was 340 points. This order 340 points, 15th September 2019. Okay, here was June 8 2019 to September 15 2019, means how much time I take for this earnings. June 8 to September 15 means near about 4 months. Another redemption points I show you. November 6, 806 life point. This is for $10 PayPal cash. I get it in 3 days, but you see here, last time I redeemed 15 September 2019, then another is 6th November 2019. The time was near about 45 days. In 45 days I have taken how much survey? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I have taken total 36 survey and get only 806 point. So I advise you, please don't waste time in this website for survey and earn your cash. If you have too much time or you have more time to expend here, then you go on. Last time I have redeemed, that was see how much earn I have done. 806 point means 10 PayPal cash. If I calculate this from my joining date to till date, then how much point I have earned? Calculator. I open the calculator. 1 minute. From the end, I have start from the end. 800 means I think $10. $10 means 720 rupees plus another $10, plus 720 rupees plus 340 means 300 rupees plus 550 points means 500 rupees plus I have earned total 2240 rupees only from March 2019, 7 March 2019 to till date. Today is 19 April 2020, means 1 year, 1 month, near about 1 month. I have earned only 2240 rupees. If you earn more money, then don't attend any survey in this panel station and go for another website. If you want to know how you will earn from home, I will provide you another website, genuine website. Please comments on comment box for more update about how to earn from home. I will provide you the reviews of these type of website, how much money you can earn from this, and how to redeem, how to work this website, this type of website. So please comment on the comment box. I will make another video for how to earn money from home or how to earn money online. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends and families. Have a nice day.